Bă, plin reviste pe jos. Plin reviste pe jos. Nu știu dacă am voie să pun pe YouTube așa ceva. Bine.
Bă, dar puie, ce să nu facă parte de jos?
Ha?
Ce să nu pui
Da.
parte de jos?
Spare revistele porno peste tot.
Da, pe o fac și...
Vrei și tu și sus?
Ce?
Vrei tu și sus?
Da, mă.
Boschetar și...
Ce-o fi aia?
Ușa, ba da. Ok, hai să vorbim pe What the hell is this?
Oh, God.
I think this is some
Cables. Cables.
homeless man shit.
Yeah. What was it?
Jos. Mindset. Ieși afară.
The fuck?
What the fuck? Where those noises?
Don't look down. No, I'm serious. I heard something, but it wasn't very clear. So.
Holy shit! Holy fuck!
That was a totally fail.
Oh shit!
Should we?
That was a fail.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
I think we should go back because
We are outside, aren't we? We could just run.
we are, but I think someone is in.
Mindset.
I think someone's in.
Yeah, let's not fuck around here. Let's go. That was some creepy shit. That was very creepy.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's not fuck around.
You heard something?
Yes, I did. I think someone was there. Homeless person. I don't want to get stabbed or something.
Yeah, because we have not any